After 6 months of writing and recording, the band decided it needs more time to finish the album. To extend the time the annuity will last, the band will work for 3 more months without withdrawing a payment. After this, the band will receive monthly payments of $3,800 for as long as possible. All right, it's random. The annuity will end with one final monthly payment that will be smaller than all the others. Calculate the total number of months this annuity will last. Okay, so the trick here is they've already had 6 months, then there's another 3 months where they're not going to withdraw a payment. All right, so there was a trick to this question because although they aren't getting any money, while they aren't drawing money in, they're actually going to be gaining interest on this amount of money. Okay, so what we need to do is see, after 3 months, how much money they have gained in the account. So we've got 3.12% again, 3.11. Principal value was 32667.68, wasn't it? Yep. Payment 0. Future value we're trying to find. Payments per year 12. Butterfingers today. Compound periods. All right. So let's see what the future value of that's going to be. 3293. Okay. So they are going to, when they start getting payments again, have 3293.15. That's how much they are going to have in the annuity. Okay. So let's copy that and put it back as my principal value. So there's my principal value. Payments. All right, so they've effectively given that. So now what are the payments? It says 3,800. Whoops, they're going to get money, so let's make that positive. I've done it again, 3,800. Future value is going to be 0. The rest of the information is all the same. So what we're going to try and work out now is how many months it's available for. So 8.77 months. That's going to effectively be here. So they're going to receive a smaller payment at the end. So the number of payments after the change is going to be 8 payments. So they're going to receive 8 payments. This here will be the smaller number, which we then have to add on to the 6 and the 3. Right? So we've got 8 payments. So we had those original 6 payments, 3 where we didn't because they want to know the total number of months annuity will last, 8 full payments, 1 small payment, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 18. So in which case the total would be 18. He's going to scroll it up. That's look like 18 months is how long it's going to. So that's one of those change of condition questions, which I thought was awesome.